Our planet is facing some pretty big challenges, and honestly, they affect every single one of us. When I say environmental issues, I'm talking about problems that mess with the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we live on. Human activities, like burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and creating mountains of waste, are usually behind these problems. Let's break down some of the biggest environmental issues we're dealing with right now. There's climate change, which is causing temperatures to rise and making extreme weather events a lot more common. Air pollution is making it harder for people in cities to breathe. Water pollution is damaging our lakes, rivers, and oceans. And deforestation is taking away vital habitats for so many animals. Plus, we're losing biodiversity. Plants and animals are disappearing faster than ever before, and that affects the balance of our entire planet. It's important to remember, when one part of the environment changes, everything else feels the impact. For example, when forests are cut down, animals lose their homes, soil washes away, and we lose trees that help clean the air. So, what can we do? That's where sustainability comes in. Sustainability means meeting our own needs without making it harder for future generations to meet theirs. Imagine the environment as your bank account. Living sustainably is like spending only the interest, not the principal, so you never run out. The real goal is balance. We need to protect nature, support our communities, and keep the economy running, all at the same time. That way, people and nature can thrive together, now and in the future. Let's talk about what that looks like in real life. First, there are renewable resources, things like solar energy, wind power, and managed forests that can be replaced naturally. Switching from oil and coal to these resources helps protect our environment. Conservation is also huge. Simple things like turning off lights, taking shorter showers, or supporting parks and protected areas help preserve the natural world. And then there's reducing waste. Believe it or not, the average American creates over 4 pounds of trash every day. Recycling, composting, and making smarter choices about what you buy all help cut down on waste and pollution. Here's the good news. People everywhere are coming up with real solutions. Cities are building bike lanes and better public transport. Companies are using renewable energy and less packaging. Schools are planting gardens and teaching kids about the environment. And families, maybe even yours, are recycling and saving water at home. Young people are especially stepping up. Students are starting recycling programs, organizing cleanups, and even inventing new ways to solve problems, like gadgets that collect plastic from rivers or apps that track your carbon footprint. You don't have to be an adult to make real change. Now, you might have heard that your individual actions don't matter, but that's just not true. Every little choice adds up, especially when millions of people are making better choices together. And far from hurting the economy, green solutions actually save money and create new jobs. Protecting the environment isn't just about saving polar bears or rainforests. It's about making sure we all have clean air, safe water, and healthy food, today and for years to come. The choices you make today help shape the world you'll live in tomorrow. Let's start making those choices count.